Don Rush here, West Coast Classic Cougar. Hey, everybody has been contacting me and say, hey Don, what about these leather kits that are like under $400? What do you think about them? I don't know. So we decided to get our hands on some. And the first problem is you go to the website and it says 1967, 1968 leather. So we contact them, so which is it, 67 or 68? They're very different. And they're like, oh, we don't know. We thought they were the same. They're not the same. So we took them to we got them, and sure, they were, like I say, under 400 bucks. And we took them to our upholsterer, and he had to work really hard to get them to look this good, and they don't look good. First off, you'll notice you can see this seam right here. This seam should have been tucked further in. Also, you notice the piping doesn't line up here. Overall, though, the back seat isn't terrible. I mean, for the price. They charge retail less for this leather than our cost on vinyl through like Distinctive Industries. Okay, let's look at the bucket seats here. This is where it really goes downhill. You'll see that this whole cover is like twisted, and he says he beat on them and pulled on them and heated them. He tried everything, and that's the best he could get. Look how far off these seams are. I mean, they're not even in the neighborhood. The pucker up here bothered my upholsterer. The original's puckered a fair amount too up here, so that doesn't bother me as much. But everywhere you look, like he took measurements, my upholsterer took measurements of this piece versus this piece versus this, and they were all different, and they should be all identical measurements on here. So for the money, sure, we're not going to sell them. You'll have to go direct to the Cheapo Depot where we got them from. But know that you're going to pay a little more on installation for them because your upholsterer is really going to fight it. And the end result, at first glance, some people won't even notice that. But for somebody doing a nice car, of course, the texture of the leather is all wrong. You should have smooth versus rough grain here, and this is all a pebble grain, which isn't even close to either one of the grains that Mercury used in the day. But anyway, that's my product review of the Cheapo Depot leather seats. Black is their only color that's even remotely close. They have purple and yellow and grass green. They got all these stupid colors that of course never came on a Cougar. And no, they aren't gonna, you can't send them a swatch and they aren't gonna do the right color for you. It ain't gonna happen. So you get what you pay for.